Hi trader, this is Chris from Elite Currency with a video on Forex Quant. I want to show you how well the Forex Quant calculates the targets. Actually, we use a tool which is called Forex Wiz. It's a script and it actually shows Fibonacci sequence targets here for the currency pairs. So it's a truly amazing tool in my opinion because of the accuracy it shows in finding targets. Now, as you can see, I have moving averages on this chart, and then I add the script to the bottom, and then I say buy, I click OK, and you get the targets to the upside. So I'm going to discuss this in just a second, but first of all, I do want to make a formal introduction here, Forex Quant, calculating the targets to the pip, and also let you know that there is a risk disclaimer involved here when looking at this video. For the trading for exchange and other financial markets and products are considered high risk and may not be suitable for all traders and investors. Therefore, please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, and by continuing watching this video, you agree with this disclaimer. Alright, back to the charts, and you can see each of these purple lines basically represent a target right here, and then here, 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 and here. Now sometimes obviously price will accelerate occasionally through that level as anything in the Forex. Obviously it's a zone, it sometimes has more momentum, it pushes further, so those things happen. But if you look at the accuracy of the targets, for instance here and here, clearly price nicely stopping at those targets. And obviously if price goes further past our target, that's okay, because then the profit is already locked in. That's the most important. So as you can see, specifically what I like to look at is beyond the third level, right? That's where I get interested, because within the first three levels, the spaces are small, as you can see here. If we consider this level 1, this level 2, and this level 3, spaces are small between those levels, and price also has often enough some trouble getting out of those levels before you get into a more impulsive move, more momentum, and price kind of ranging in between the beginning, the magenta line, and the first three purple lines. Once it starts to break above the third, then you see a bit more follow through to the fourth, to the fifth, and to the sixth. And of course, especially here, there's a big zone here, as you can see, and here too. So you got the most potential there when the momentum starts to accelerate in the direction of the trend, and there are wide open spaces in these zones when using this tool. So it's an awesome tool, shows where the targets are. Now, of course, eventually if you hit the third, fourth, fifth, sixth level here, this cannot last forever, and indeed, yes, eventually you'll get the retracement. And here too, you can use the same tool, just find the top or bottom. It's that simple, right? Click on sell, just drag it on the chart, click on buy or sell depending on the the direction you're looking for, and look at that. We're seeing a correction down to the second level, down to the third, and we hit the fourth level, which obviously is a decent retracement and typical for such a pullback. So you'll see pullbacks often go to the second, third level, sometimes to the fourth level. If it goes beyond the fourth level, though, then definitely there's more momentum expected, and yeah, then probably it's more of a semi-reversal at least, right? We could see perhaps the price go below these bottoms and head towards this level and the moving averages, right? The long-term moving averages. Now you can use this not only the 4-hour chart, but basically any time frame, because once we move into lower time frames, for instance, it actually shows different levels, and anything below the hourly will show a level specifically intended for lower time frames. For instance, here we see a top, so we can put the tool on, we just drag the script, once again click sell, and you'll see more or less the same thing, but then on a smaller scale. This is the 15-minute chart, so we'll see the second level, third, and below the third, the move down to the fourth level, then down to the fifth, then down to the sixth, right? And this is how that continues. Then often enough, when you hit that sixth level, right, you got a correction, which indeed happened, probably to the fourth level. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth level. And then still the downtrend continuing, and we can put again like this here, click on sell, and again down to the fifth and past the fifth, almost to the sixth probably. Yeah, just missed it by a few pips there. So this is great for targets. Obviously, it's not going to replace all of your strategies or tools. This is just a target tool and shows where the spaces are. Where is the wide open spaces? Where can you expect the most movement? And that's why this tool is so awesome with regard to targeting and locating targets. This tool is part of Forex Quant. Besides this tool, we also have actually a form that helps you with calculating the odds of success of a setup. So there are two things, this target tool basically, and the calculator of success of the trade setup. So take a look at elitecurrency.com and go to Quant, Forex Quant at the upper tab. I'll show you where. Right here at the top, FX Quant, just click on that and you'll get this page. Then you can scroll down, you'll see this, this logo and this sign. And you can scroll down to the bottom where you can either request more info by putting down your email, you could purchase it, take a look at the Q&As, or take a look at these videos that explain a bit more about Forex Quant and what it entails. Here you can see how it looks like Forex Quant, and basically it shows you how to use this calculator to calculate the odds of success of that setup. So two very good and cool things, basically the odds calculator and the target tool that I was just showing you in the video. So hope that you found that interesting, and well, wish you good trading and see you soon. Cheers.